So friends, now I come to the last topic of interpersonal skills, that is assertiveness. Now, assertiveness is very, very powerful emotional intelligence skill. It's the ability to honestly express your feelings and thoughts without hurting others, and by respecting the other person's feelings and thoughts as well. Assertive people are able to express their feelings without being aggressive or abusive. Friends, बहुत लोग ऐसा भी सोचते हैं कि assertiveness, aggressiveness एक ही चीज है, but दोनों में बहुत फर्क है. It's necessary to understand the difference between assertiveness and aggressiveness. See, aggressiveness includes what? It is like bulldozing over others. It is a form of rudeness. It's a form of behavior that is offensive, interfering, and dominating. It's about winning at all costs. चाहे किसी के सर के ऊपर पैर रख के जाना पड़े, हमें जीतना ही है. ये होता है aggressiveness. Now, the key difference between assertiveness and aggressiveness is very clear. I think आप लोगों को clear हो गया होगा. And aggressiveness leaves no room for the consideration of others' feelings and viewpoints. So it's an interpersonal skill. It's the ability to honestly express your feelings. So, as I told you. Now, friends, I will I prepared a table for identifying assertive and progressive personalities. This will make it very clear. Now, an assertive personality. An assertive person is positive about his opinions and behavior. Now, at the same time, he respects others' thoughts and actions as well. He generally follows a live and let live policy in life. Whereas an aggressive person feels that only his opinions and actions matter while others are incapable in decision making. Friends, it is so important for us to develop assertiveness in our life. This will make us successful, really successful in life, and will become popular. People will start liking you. An assertive person usually speaks out his honest views on a subject in a polite tone, whereas an aggressive person will talk loudly to make others listen to him. He has poor listening skills. An assertive person aspires to reach his own aims and goals. At the same time, he makes sure that others are respected and encouraged to make similar progress. Whereas an aggressive person tries to achieve his goals and dreams by hurting others or by stepping on other people's self-esteem. This is the difference between an assertive and an aggressive person. Again, an assertive person tends to make an unhindered and normal eye contact with the other people. His eye expressions tend to be cool or pleasant, whereas an aggressive person tends to glare at others in order to make them turn submissive to his statements. Last 2 points to make it very clear that assertive person views everyone, including himself, on the same plane. His approach is more of a democratic way. You progress, I also progress. We all progress. It's a win-win. They believe in a win-win game. Whereas an aggressive person believes in a win-lose game. He has to win, but the other person has to lose. He puts himself before others and is ruthless by nature. An assertive person has a straight posture. उसके कंधे झुके हुए नहीं मिलेंगे. आप देखोगे, you can make out a person who is assertive. He has a straight posture and his उसके जो shoulders हैं वो straight हैं, relaxed रहते हैं, वो झुके नहीं रहते. And they always speak to the point. इधर उधर घुमा के बात नहीं करेंगे. Whereas an aggressive person tends to stand with a crossed arms. उसकी posture rigid मिलेगी, आपको उसके shoulders rigid मिलेंगे. And he may at times have threatening expressions on his face. कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जिससे आपको एकदम क्लियर हो जाएगा कि हाउ टू डेवलप असर्टिव कम्युनिकेशन. आई एम गिविंग सम एग्जाम्पल्स. सो लेट अस हैव वन सिनेरियो. You planned to meet with your friend to have a nice meal at a restaurant. You reach there, but your friend is late, and he's late always. Every time you make plans, you keep waiting, and your friend shows up 20 to 30 minutes late. This is the scenario. अब देखिए इस सीन में दो टाइप के रेस्पॉन्सेस हो सकते हैं. एक रेस्पॉन्स हो सकता है assertive और एक रेस्पॉन्स हो सकता है aggressive. Now let us see. Now what is the assertive response? It goes like this. You will talk to your friend like this. Suppose he comes 30 minutes late. आप उसको assertively ये बोलोगे कि did something happen unexpectedly that made you late? I feel hurt when I have to wait time and time again because you are often late. It makes me feel anxious as if I am not a priority. Is there something I can do to help you fix this problem? This is an assertive response to the scene. Now see the aggressive response. You have no manners. You are rude. You are a habitual latecomer and you keep me waiting always. So these are the two types of responses in the scene. Now friends, the important point to note is the assertive people use I statements instead of you statements. अब आप देखो assertive response देखोगे तो उसमें आपको I statement बार बार मिलेगा. I feel hurt when I have to wait time and again because you are often late. It makes me feel anxious as if I am not a priority. तो I पे focus होता है. Assertive people use I statements instead of hurling blame or insults at the other person. So this is a very important, how to develop assertive communication is that always we should focus on I statements rather than you statements. Friends, second scene. Your teenage son is known to get angry every time you try to tell him to clean up his room or help out around the house. आप अपने लड़के को बोल रहे हो कि जब भी बोलते हो कि तुम भाई अपना कमरा साफ रखो तो वो गुस्सा हो जाता है. This is the scene. Now इसमें दो तरह के responses कैसे हो सकते हैं. देखिए एक तो assertive response. You can say that I feel overburdened when you don't help me in keeping the house clean and tidy. I understand that you don't like when I remind you to clean your room, but it's a task that needs to be done and everyone needs to do their part. This is the assertive response. Now, what can be the aggressive response? You can tell your son, you are very irresponsible and careless. Your room is so dirty and unorganized. See the difference between the two, friends. Now, अगर आप assertive response करेंगे, तो आपका बेटा आपकी बात सुन लेगा. He will not feel hurt, उसका ego hurt नहीं होगा. लेकिन आपने अगर उसको डांट दिया कि you are irresponsible, आपने you statements देना शुरू कर दिया ना, तो और defensive हो जाएगा, वो करेगा ही नहीं. So sometimes we don't express ourselves because we are afraid of how the other person will react. क्या वो नाराज हो जाएगा? ये सोच के हम अपने आप को express नहीं करते. But the assertive people, they express themselves without worrying how the other person will react. Friends, third scenario, your boss wants you to do your co-worker's report because she has fallen behind schedule. And he knows you work efficiently. And this has happened frequently. कई बार होता है कि आपको बार बार कहा जाता है कि आप उसका काम करो, तुम्हारे फ्रेंड का काम करो, वो पीछे रह गई है, पीछे रह गया. तो इसमें देखिए assertive response क्या हो सकता है. आप बॉस को क्या बोल सकते हो? This is the 4th time this month that I have been given extra work because Susie has fallen behind. I want to be a team player. I want to be a team player. But I feel stressed when I am overburdened. What can we do to make sure this doesn't happen again? तो इसका इफेक्ट बहुत पॉजिटिव होगा. Boss will never get angry. वो बोलेगा यार, this person is true. He is stating the facts. He is stating the facts. What can be the aggressive response? You can tell your boss, why are you always picking me up to do Susie's work when you know that I myself am so overburdened? Why don't you ask her to complete her work in time? So, and stating the facts and expressing your feelings. It's very important to state your facts and express your feelings. It will help avoid making the other person defensive. आपका boss कभी आपको उसको बुरा नहीं लगेगा आपने अगर assertively उसको बोला. और उसमें देखो आप ये भी कह रहे हो, what can we do to make sure this doesn't happen again, means you are offering your help also to solve the problem, and at the same time you are expressing your concerns. So friends, this is the difference between assertive behavior and aggressive behavior. One more example will make it still more clearer. Your brother-in-law asks to borrow rupees 50,000 from you, and you know that he has a history of defaulting on his financial obligations. वो आपसे पैसा मांग रहा है, 50,000 रुपए मांग रहा है, कहता है यार दे दो, और आपको मालूम है कि उसकी हिस्ट्री अच्छी नहीं है, ठीक से लौटाता नहीं है, उसका रेपुटेशन खराब है, और बाकी फैमिली मेंबर्स आपको बोलते हैं ऐसा. सो इसमें असर्टिव रेस्पॉन्स क्या हो सकता है? देखिए, यू कैन टेल हिम, माय पॉलिसी इज नेवर lend money to friends or family members. Straight, my policy is never to lend money to friends and family members. What can be the aggressive response? You have a bad habit of borrowing money. Don't you feel ashamed? How long will you depend on borrowed money for running your life? When will you start living on your own? Now friends, there's so much of difference between these two kinds of responses. So in such situations, using a policy statement is a good way to express your core beliefs and define what you will do and what you will not do. Your spouse is shouting and complaining that you are not devoting enough time and attention to the household and launches into a long list of your shortcomings. आपकी कमियां गिनाने लगती है कि आप घर पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो, ये है वो है, तमाम आपकी कमियां बताने लगती हैं. तो इसमें दो तरह के रिस्पॉन्स हो सकते हैं. वन इज असर्टिव रिस्पॉन्स. यू कैन से I see you angry. This is I statement. Again, assertive response पर I statement होता है. I see you are angry. I hear you saying that I should spend more time doing household activities. However, I don't completely agree with you because I always try to do as much as possible. So, and what can be the aggressive response? Why do you always shout at me? You are very ill-tempered. Can't you talk politely? See the difference between the two. The moment you are assertive, it will have a soothing effect on your spouse. She won't be angry. And the moment your response is aggressive, it will boomerang on you. It will come back with double force. So assertive people don't get caught up in anger or strong emotions. They acknowledge the other person's thoughts and feelings, but then honestly express their own as well. So friends, the keys to assertive skills is we should learn to say no in life. Very often in our workplaces, we must learn to say no, because what happens is we are often asked to help others with their responsibilities. आप जितना efficient आदमी होगे तो आपको ही ज्यादा लोग बोलेंगे कि यार कर दो ना, ये कर दो. You have the right to say no without feeling guilty. Remember that other people's problems are not more important than your own problem, and that you are not required to solve all the world's problems. उतना ही लो जितना आप ले सकते हो. आपके थाली में प्लेट में उतना ही खाना लो जितना आप खा सकते हो, उससे ज्यादा नहीं लेना चाहिए. Second is learn to use I statements. This is very important, friends. For developing assertive behavior, we must learn to use I statements instead of you statements. I statements are they will not hurt or inflame passions or anger in the other person. But if you use you and hurling blame or insults, then the situation will become very bad. Use eye contact. This is again very important. Use eye contact. See, non-verbal communication is more readily believed than spoken words. Likewise, लेकिन उसका उल्टा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. See, prolonged eye contact is also not good. It will be perceived as a violation of personal space. You should not stare at the other person. Your eye contact should be very pleasing. You should not stare. Then use assertive body language. This is again this is a key to assertive skills, friends. So an assertive person has a straight posture. So you should also develop a straight posture without आपको अपने shoulders को slouch नहीं करना है. You can practice it. The more we practice, the more we develop these assertive skills. So we should try to keep our posture straight without any slouching of our shoulders. And the expressions should be generally relaxed. An aggressive person tends to stand with crossed arms and his posture is very rigid. If you observe in your day-to-day life, you will find a lot of people who are aggressive. You will find them with crossed hands and their postures are very rigid. You can make it out. He may at times have threatening expressions on his face. A person with an aggressive person, he may have threatening expression on his face. Another key to assertiveness skills is be honest instead of being manipulative. See, people come to know. If you are manipulative, आप एक बार किसी को बेवकूफ बना सकते हैं, but people will come to know. So honesty is the best policy. It will create a trust. People will start trusting you that okay, he's authentic. He's an authentic person. ऐसा image जाना चाहिए. And so develop authenticity. Last is respond rather than react. This is, friends, again, a very important powerful key to assertiveness. Respond rather than react. Most of the time we react in life to the external stimulus. So we should think before we leap. It's said that think before you leap. Always think of the end result or consequences before you react. Friends, this is a very profound statement. I would like to repeat it. Think before you leap. Always think of the end result or consequences before you react. If you do this, then you will not be reacting. You will be responding. In responding and reacting, there's a lot of difference. See, by responding, instead of impulsively reacting, you can have much better control on your emotions. What is the result? What is the result of responding rather than reacting? You can develop very good interpersonal relations. You will become a good friend. You will become popular. A lot of people will be attracted towards you. People will think, yeah, he's a cool, matured person. What are the benefits of assertiveness, friends? So your value increases, your impact increases, and your well-being increases. VIW, value, impact, and well-being. It increases tremendously. When we employ the assertiveness skills, we behave neither as victims nor as instruments of mass destruction. We do not make ourselves sick from harboring ill thoughts towards others and keeping ugly feelings bottled up inside, nor do we make others sick by exploding all over them in an offensive and caustic way. Friends, assertiveness makes us empowered people who can be relied on for clarity and honesty. Organizations are more productive when managers and employees are appropriately assertive and openly share information and issues. Friends, this test of assertiveness we do this in our face-to-face presentations and workshops. So whenever we do it, then certainly we will use this test of assertiveness. So friends, here I would like to wind up today's seminar. And once again, thank you very much for participating in today's seminar. Thank you, friends.